favorite dude. Back again. Went to one of my favorite places today. Home Depot. Yeah. Quite sure they know me up there. Quite sure they like the money I'm spending. Got today something real good for you guys. Got the Ring. The Ring doorbell. Now this is the Pro. They've got if you know anything about Ring, you look it up on whatever, Amazon or whatever. They got a couple of series before. One's real big and clanky. Next one, I think it got two before, and this is like the Pro here. So, and then they got a model after this. But let's get into it. Let's see here. See what you guys looking at, checking it out as well. We want you guys to get in on what's going on. We don't want to leave you guys out. Have you guys out of the loop, so to speak. We're going to get into it. Like I said, guys, the Ring Video Doorbell Pro. Okay, so we're going to do the unboxing because I know you guys like that. Bam. What we got in here? Okay, you got some, as you see the package here, you got, what we got here? Okay, various items. Mind you, I already actually have one of these as well. Another one on my garage door. But you got your various instructions and whatnot. You got this little doohickey here for, I guess, if you you know, let people know you got the Ring doorbell. So we're gonna set that aside and get right into it. Man. Okay, so got various face plates here. You got your white, I guess your silver, and your black. And I think this comes with like a bronze sort of. I like this color better, so of course I'm gonna get rid of those. Let me. Okay, you've got. It says wedge mounts. This is optional. Now, if you look at the site, you can see you put this on. This will be for, like, say you're, let's see, on the side of a doggone. Your house is like this, whatnot. You got your doorbell on there, whatnot. You put your doorbell on there, mount that, and it's gonna kind of lean to the side. You know, I guess if you got something obstructing your vision there, you could use that. Or maybe you got steps and the walkway is real low. You can use that to kind of angle it down. So you got your optional mounts right there, and of course you got. Let's see, some more stuff here. What's that? Once your ring bell, doorbell bell stuff. Okay, some other instructions. You guys know how to read. I'm quite sure. Okay, but your installation kit. Okay, and I mean, right here. Okay, this is obviously screws. Your screws for the doorbell itself, and then. Okay, this actually goes to your doorbell itself on the inside of your house. So if you've got like the digital doorbell, which you know you're gonna see all that in the tutorial and all that in the demo and all that's gonna tell you how to hook it up. But because I'm not gonna go through this part, but that you hook that to your doorbell, and maybe I'll just show you guys, but I'm not gonna show you the whole installation of that. But then you got your various screws, and then you got this piece here, which is going to connect between the two if you need it. Now they say this, you need this part if you've got like an electric doorbell or something, one that goes, makes a little bell. But if you got your standard doorbell that goes ding dong, whatever, you don't need that kind of stuff. And this is your screwdriver, which you got various sides on there, what you need. And this is a mortar bit, just in case you have to drill into a brick or something. And yeah, so you know what, without further ado, I think we're probably going to get into the installation. As you see, I've already put one placement there, which is the it's like a bracket, little thing for your screw, so you can get it in there. And I'm not going to drill that one just yet. I should have put the little thing here, but we're going to do that now. A little thingy. And this is, of course, so you can level your your Ring doorbell. You're going to put that on there, and you're going to, of course, screw that in. I do things a little different, as you guys know, if you're on my channel. Okay, here. So we're going to just get that level. And I think we're about there. This thing is a little leveler here. That's a little leveler. So and it makes it where you guys can know exactly where to put your mark. You know. Okay, you guys check me out. Okay. This thing is a good tool, I see, because somebody like me is gonna make it off level, you know. If you get that, if you get my meaning, you get my drift. Pause that. Okay, so you're gonna drill a hole down here. See, we already started. We got one here. We're gonna put our little plastic anchor there. We're just gonna bam that in there. Sort of bam that in. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So we can hold on, baby. Yeah, hold on. We're just gonna take here. Gotta already put our screw here, but we're gonna sweat that. Back that out, set that down. Okay, we're gonna pull out our. We've already cut the power, so power's been cut. Turned off everything, and it really doesn't matter which side you hook to what. That's the beautiful thing about this system here. It's a wonderful thing. Now, I've got enough wire here to where I'm just going to hook it up and pretty much round it off and do it like that. They do provide a hook up an extra wire, so you can, if you need that extra hook, that extra wire. So I'm just hooking it around. A little screw here. Guys, we're getting to watch it in real time. Okay, we got that hooked up. I'm going to take this one, back it off a little bit, and we're just going to hook this around this one and we'll be set to go. And of course, after we get all this hooked up, we're going to turn the power back on. All right. Yeah, okay. So what we did is I went back in, and I got the provided wires that actually came with the system, the doorbell here, and because they got these nice little hooks, and this makes it so much easier. Sometimes you try to do things the hard way, and you gotta find out how to do these. Okay, so we're gonna hook that up. Like I said, it doesn't matter which one you hook it up, just make sure that your power is off. And like I said, it is. So I don't want you guys worrying about nothing, because Bob Vila will kill me. Quite sure you guys know who that is. Anyway, okay, so we're just gonna push all that good stuff in, those wires. Just kind of shove that in. And then push this in here. And yeah, we're ready to tighten it down. Hunker down. Okay. And all this stuff is provided. We've got several screws, face plates, and different things that you're gonna need, so you can get her done. Yep. So you can get her done. Make sure. Okay. Oh man, yeah, this is, and this installation is easy, so trust me, anybody can do it. DIY. Do it yourself, guys. Okay, so you're just gonna tighten all that good stuff down. And of course, I've already done it, but you're gonna scan your phone, take it and scan that right there. Beside this code here, there's probably one in their instruction manual. And you're gonna scan that because you're going to use that to hook up your Ring doorbell. Okay, so we're gonna put this cover on. Let's take this film off first. Oh yeah, good stuff there. It says remove. See, you want to do what that says. It says remove film. You might want to do that, or you be looking at it and like, what's going on? I can't really tell because it just doesn't look right. Anyway. Okay, all right, here we go. Take that off too. There we go. Just gonna toss that down. And we're gonna put the faceplate on. And of course you put a little screw there. Kind of hold that faceplate on. Oh yeah, the screw's right. It just pops right on. And you're gonna take the provided screws and you're just gonna go underneath there. Screw that puppy on. Like that. And that's how you install that, guys. So we can get a little paint all this, but you guys don't worry about all that. But that's how you install the Ring doorbell. So what's the bottom line? Product reviews, you know, reviews. What's the best? Bottom line, if you want it, go get it!